We're rolling.
So lucky to be able to appreciate views like this, aren't I, people? Just takes me back to when I was a child, way back when I had a red and black lumberjack with a hat to match. And check it out, Palace have delivered on it again, haven't they? They've given me my dreams. And the thing is, what I love about this lumberjack jacket is that it ignites inside me my inner lumberjack. And as you can see, bit of a Blue Peter moment here. Here's something I prepared earlier. Been here since the early hours, carving out a little mole coming out a piece of wood here, couple of bears down here, got a couple of hedgehogs and a bench. Probably didn't realise I was such a handy carpenter, but anyway, we're not here to do a review on my carpentry skills. We're here to do a little review on the P lumber from Palace, dropped a couple of weeks ago, and the matching hat. So I'm going to get Becky to come a bit closer so you can see all these furry details, and we can have a little chat about it. So come on in, come on in. All right, people, so here we are then. I feel like I'm on an episode of Country File like this. Check this out. Here's my little bear resting my arm on. Very handy, this bench. Really proud of my handiwork. Anyway, like I say, this isn't why we're here. We're here to talk about the P lumber jacket, which I absolutely love. And this is an absolute keeper, much like in Austin Powers when he Goldmember peels off the bit of skin and he's like, this one's a keeper. Well, this one's a keeper, isn't it? So what do I love about it so much? First of all, it is absolutely freezing out here, and I've only got a t-shirt on underneath this and I feel cozy as hell. Beautiful, love that. It's got nice tight cuffs, don't worry, we'll get in. And this is a beautiful teddy bear fleece, and I do like soft feeling clothing. I mean, that's probably why I don't get on with the Palace hoodies so much, because I find them a bit too rough to handle, whereas this is wonderful. And I tell you what, Becky doesn't mind giving it a little cuddle either. And when you come down, just a straight up zip here with a little P on it, very nice. But on the inside, no pockets or anything like that, but it is meshed, so that means it's kind of nice, like when you're sliding your hands in, doesn't bother you. It feels quite breathable as well. So I've been hiking up this hill to get up here at Heartwood Forest, and not hot at all. You've seen earlier in the video the back as well, how beautiful is that? I mean, that big Palace logo or Palace strip just is stunning, just looks amazing. I prefer this red and black colourway because I wanted to get the matching hat as well. It's much more lumberjack than the black and white or the blue and black. Don't know what you think, let me know. Down here there's zipped pockets as well, so that's always handy. Stops my hand sanitizer or mask popping out. And then just on the chest here you've got a nice little logo there, haven't you? Embroidered in. Good quality this. And round the waist, just down here, again stretchy, keeps it nice and tight around me, stopping any wind or breeze coming in. So that's very good. Overall, look at that, up to this height, that's perfect neck warmer height, and it's keeping me nice. And then this, as we're on our way back up to the top of the head, let's talk about the hat. So it's red and black to match. Done the Biggy lyric before, haven't I? Well, here's the thing, this isn't Teddy, this is just like tartan cotton feeling, brushed cotton, but it's not matching, is it? And even the colour's not. I mean, hopefully you can see it once I've done the grade, that this red and this red doesn't match. It's not the same colour. I couldn't believe it when I pulled it out of the bag and I had a look. I was like, what are they doing? Why are they having a matching hats that don't match in colour and also in texture? What the hell is going on? I mean, sometimes these people, just trying to get my head around it. I can't get my head around it. I can barely get my head in it. As you know from previous videos, my head and hats, they don't go together that well. Anyway, I still, even though they don't match, I'm still going to keep it, aren't I? Because it's just so great to have it matching. Got the leather strap there, metal clasp. Can't remember, is there Palace embroidered on one of these sides, Becky?
No.
No.
Oh, you've got a little label by the strap.
Let's have a look. Oh yeah, just
go.
a little Palace, matches up. Same, they got that bit right, got those colours right, that's exactly the same. But yeah, on the inside, just lined, normal. Palace logo, yeah. So yeah, they've got some bits to match, but other bits not. Very, very strange. God knows what they were thinking. Would love to get an answer on that. If you're watching, Palace, comment below. Anyway, lovely to see you all. I'm going to get on with my walk, and also I've got to finish off a bit more of my carpentry here. Finish off Bear, look at his eyes. He's got their penny eyes, aren't they? Need to get some pupils back in them. Jeez, what's he been taking? He's been tucking into the mushrooms again. Right, that's it. Okay, lovely to see you all. Much love. You take care, yeah?